volcano. Today I have Ashley with me.
Hey guys, I'm Ashley and I'm Khy'Ree's cousin. We're making a volcano.
Now let's open this volcano box. Now let's see what's inside of it. We have Wow!
So what do we got to make this volcano today? We got eruption powder.
We have
and
paint,
plaster.
and we have rocks. Then we have the mold, another mold, then what's this called?
That's plaster.
Plaster bag. Then there's nothing else in the paintbrush.
Yeah. So guys, first we're gonna put the mold together.
I need help.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next, we're gonna mix the plaster. More. Done.
Now time for water.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting smoky. Mix it up. Mix it up. That's good.
Now we're gonna pour the mixture in the bowl. The mold.
3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Yep. Oh no.
We're gonna make the mold dry now. And then we're gonna paint it.
Welcome guys. I'm gonna finish my volcano.
Guys, now the mold is dry, so I'll take it out now. Can you help me take it out?
Yeah, I can help you take it out.
Okay. Wait, gotta take off the elastic band.
We have to take this off.
Yeah.
Then we have to take these off. Oh no, don't break. What? Oh, there it is. Wow. It looks like a volcano now.
Yeah.
Dun.
Do we paint it now?
Yeah, we paint it. We're gonna paint it now.
Okay.
Okay. I wanna turn it around. Okay, let's do this side. Alright guys, we finished our volcano. Actually, what's next?
We're gonna add the eruption powder now.
Wow.
Mix.
Okay. Then put it. Then. Running away. Sometimes volcanoes gonna blast.
Now we're gonna put the water in the volcano.
Whoa. It's bubbles. Bubbles, look. It's bubbles ringing now. What is this? What? Whoa. What?
It's fizzing.
Yeah, and there's bubbles.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's ringing out.
It looks weird.
Yeah. You can't touch it. What happened if you touch it?
I don't know.
Whoa, let me do it now. Whoa, it's going fast. What?
It's fizzing.
Yeah, it's running out too.
Yeah, it's running down. The lava's running down. Does it look like lava?
Yeah.
Oh,
More.
fizzy.
Wow.